Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, I'm super excited because I'm doing the Boxycharm unboxing. And if you guys don't know what that is, it's a $25 subscription every month and you get 5 to 6 full product. I already opened the box, so I already know a little bit what's inside the box this month. It comes with this card right here. The good thing about the box is it comes with all the prices of the items that you get. It tells you a little bit about the products. So let's begin, and I'm going to show you what I got in my box.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So the first thing I checked in my box was this product right here, this full-size product, and this is Too Faced Born This Way. This is a concealer, contour, highlight, and retouch. This right here costs $29. So this is a pretty hefty penny. It says right here, I'm going to read the card, and it says here, Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. Conceal, contour, highlight, and retouch with Super Perfecting Natural Finish Concealer. This is how it looks. The packaging is really pretty. It's glass and everything, but this is really nice actually. I can't wait to try this on. What they sent me was golden. So I'm going to try this concealer out and see how this works on my face. So I'll put it aside. So the next product that I got is the Cargo Cosmetic. And this is an eyeshadow palette, a neutral eyeshadow palette. This palette right here costs $39.99. This is an expensive little palette. The packaging is really nice. Let's see how the color is. These are the colors right here. Really pretty, soft neutral colors. So I'm going to be placing this on my eyelids and show you how the end result look with these palettes. I haven't tried this yet, but I'll let you guys know how these are. But the colors are cute. The only thing about this palette is it's a travel size palette. You can take it anywhere, but the only thing is it doesn't have a mirror. So we're gonna put this aside so we can figure it out and try it in our eyelid. Alrighty, our next product that we got is this baby right here. This is a big fat liner. It literally says big fat liner. This is a big chunky liner. So let's see, this liner right here, beautiful packaging, is Rockin' Cosmetic Big Fat Liner. Always start with your eyes. Look with your big fat liner and you can be as bold as you want. Get creative and experiment with different shapes. So this big fat liner costs $25. I can't wait to try this. So I will do a wing liner after I put my lashes on. That's how it looks. So we're opening it up. So it is a big fat liner. So if you guys are into that type of liner with the point super fat, then this is good for you. I'm going to try it out and see how I can wing it, but I think this should work really good. So I'm excited to try this today. Okay, so the next thing that I got is this 4-piece eye brush collection right here. And this is from Morphe. So I'm pretty excited that they got this inside the Boxycharm. And the name of the brush set is I Got This. So I can't wait to use this with the eyeshadow. So I'm excited to place these two on my eyelids on this tutorial. The Morphe I Got This cost me $12. So this 4 set of brushes cost $12. I can't wait to try this. I'm excited to open that up. So the last thing I got on my box is this Pure Clear Black Cleansing Foam right here. I'm excited to open this up. I have a lot of cleansing foam already that I'm still trying to use and finish up. Eventually I will try this, but this is how the packaging looks. It's really pretty. It's really like black and everything. I'm excited to try this. So when I try this, I'll let you guys know how it is, because I don't like to use different products every time they come when it's about face cleaner. I like to finish one and then use another one, just because if I do break out, I know what product was the one that broke me out. So I will try this. I will put this in my little box to use a little later. So this right here cost me $24. I want to smell it, see if it smells good. It has a little scent on it. I mean, we'll see if it does the job, right? Alrighty guys. Okay guys, so this is it, what I got on my Boxycharm box this month. So I'm excited to try all this out today. So let's begin. I already put foundation on my face. So the only thing is now I could try this concealer and see how the concealer works on me. So the concealer looks like this, pretty thick. I like that. So let's see. All right, so the concealer, I guess this is mainly to cover your dark circles. So this is kind of the same tone of my skin a little bit, but we'll see how this works out. Put a little bit. And blend that out. Spray my face. Ooh, I liking this concealer. Like, it actually conceal everything, like the dark circles. I mean, for that price, it better do the job. But this looks amazing. I like that. I'm loving this. Like, it actually woke me up. And like, I don't see the dark circles. I'm loving this Too Faced concealer, sculpting concealer. This is, oh my goodness. I'm loving that I can do this box this month. I'm loving that I can do a whole like face tutorial. This is amazing. This box this month actually is pretty good. I'm pretty impressed. So I'm just going to set my face with the Everyday Vacay. Just to let that sit. But this is how the concealer looks. I'm like loving this concealer. This is going to be actually one of my favorite concealers actually. So you will see this a lot on my channel. But I'm going to set my face. All right, that's set. And I like to just put it all over my face. All right, I'm just gonna contour. I'm gonna use my L'Oreal concealer stick. I'm just gonna contour. Because we gotta do everything, guys. We cannot just leave out some parts. I guess I'll use this brush right here. The Morphe brush, the one that came in the packet. I'm just gonna blend that out. We're only using those brushes. All right, and we're gonna blend everything out upwards. All right. Now I'm going to be using my Ace Beauty, and I'm going to use this right here, this brown, and just blend it. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna All right, guys, so we're gonna let that sit. I already primed my eyes, so we're going to start with the eyes. I'm going to use the palette right here, so I'm excited to try this. Let's see what I'm going to do. I'm going to take that white color right here. It doesn't have a name, so we're just going to take that color, and I'm just going to use this Morphe brush. I'm just going to place that all over my lids, just so I won't have no creases or anything. So it's only 4 brushes, so I'm going to try my best to use all of these brushes. So what look am I going to do? So I'm going to use this brown color right here. I'm going to use this brush right here. And I'm going to place it underneath my brow bone. And do circular motion. The pigment is beautiful, actually. When you place that brown color on your lid, it's actually darker than the pan color. All right, I like that. I'm going to use this darker color right here. It's like a darker brown black. I'm going to place it down here like a V, in the outer corner like a V. It's a little patchy, but let's see if we can fix that. So I'm going to use this little brush right here and just blend that out. That's pretty. Alrighty. Now I'm going to use this shimmery champagne color right here, and I'm going to place it in the inner corner of my eyelid. I guess I'm going to use this flat brush right here. I'm going to see without spraying it how it glides. Oh, this has a lot of fallout. Alright, I'm going to spray it, see how that looks. If you spray it, that color will work better. That is pretty, I love that. I'm gonna do the other eye. Spray it. I'm gonna blend everything out. That looks really pretty. All right, so in my inner corner of the eyelids, I'm going to use, I guess, this little angle brush right here. And I'm gonna, let me see what color. I'm gonna place this color right here. It's like a sheer champagne color too. And I'm gonna place that in my inner corner. See how that looks. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. So that's cute. All right, I think I like that so far. Now, on top of my brow bone, I'm going to place a little light color. So I'm going to place this color right here. I'm going to use the flat brush. I'm just going to place it right here. All right, so that is done for now. Now I'm going to use my big fat liner, and I'm gonna wing my line, wing my eyelid. See how this works. I didn't bring it all the way in, I just left it halfway, but this is how it looks. I'm gonna do the other eye. So I'm not gonna put lashes on because I just want you guys to see how the eyeshadow is in the wing liner. So I'm just gonna put my mascara, and I'm gonna use that Grande Drama mascara. And I'm just gonna, guys, I do have long lashes. So sometimes people think that these are fake. All right, that's it. So I'm gonna do the bottom eyes. So I'm just going to place this brown color right here underneath my eyes. I'm going to use this fluffy brush from Morphe, and I'm just going to smoke it out. And then I'll use this darker brown right here and just put it in the outer corner and just darken that up a little bit. I'm gonna use my Tarte. I'm just gonna darken the waterline. And I'm just gonna throw in my BH Cosmetic lip gloss. Just put a little bit on my lip. Just to give it a ombre effect. Spray my face a little bit. I hope you guys enjoy my little Boxycharm unboxing, and if you guys want more of them every month, please comment down below and let me know, because I will be glad to do that for you guys. But if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos like this. And until next time, bye bye.